You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish or soup from Thai cuisine. If you want to learn more vocabulary of dishes from Thailand, make sure to stay tuned. A coconut chicken soup. Thai pronunciation Tom Kha. Tom Kha. It's easy once you know. In English you can say it as Tom Kha, but in Thai, Tom Kha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.